Normal position of the baby is in the head down position or the cephalic position, where the head of the baby is lower and the buttocks are up. In breech position, the baby lies in such a way that the buttocks and the legs are below and the head is upwards. In the first half of the pregnancy, as the baby is growing, because of the size of the baby, that baby can lie in any position. The head can be on the right, the head can be above or below. But as the baby grows bigger and the weight increases, particularly beyond 1 kg, the head is the region which is firm and hard, and the baby tends to tumble down into the head down position, and which is what is the most common position. However, at 28 weeks, it is seen that almost 25% babies could be in the breech position, and it is considered normal for them. And by 36 weeks, 90% of such babies tumble down and come to lie in the head down position. So only about 3 or maybe 4% of babies at term, that is beyond 36 weeks, would actually be in the breech position. If one knows when that we have a breech baby, then it is most important that we should exercise, because exercise is one of the best methods to turn a breech baby into a head down position. Exercises are of two kinds. One is walk. Walk is an excellent method to make your baby move and tumble, and it gives you the flexibility and allows the baby also to move to a appropriate position, which is the head down position. Walking for about half an hour in the middle pregnancy and increasing it up to 1 hour in the third trimester, that is beyond 28 weeks, is ideal if you want to make the baby move to a head down position and achieve a normal delivery. Other is the exercises that you can learn from your physiotherapist. Those are the baby spinning or the baby turning exercises that can be done.
You can try exercises like inverted V pose, child pose or a balasana, high bridge, cat and camel for turning a breech baby. You can start doing these exercises from 32 weeks onwards for the best results. It is advised to check with the doctor before starting any of these exercises. Also, look for warning signs like if you feel short of breath, if you experience any pain around groin area or vaginal area, if there is any bleeding or discharge from vagina, or if there is any abdominal discomfort, immediately stop doing these exercises. First exercise is inverted V pose. To begin this pose, get into cat and camel position or all on four position. Using the strength of your legs, lift your hips or pelvis upward towards the ceiling and come to an inverted V position or a mountain pose. Maintain a normal rhythmic pattern of breathing. Hold this pose for 30 to 40 seconds and repeat it 5 to 7 times, 2 to 3 times a day. Next exercise is child pose or bal asana. Come into cat and camel pose. Exhale and pull your hips back to rest them on your heels. Keeping your arms and elbows stretched out straight, now lower your forehead to come closer to the ground till you feel a nice long stretch in your spine. Hold this position for 30 to 40 seconds and repeat it 2 to 3 times a day. Next exercise is high bridge exercise. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground, about hip width apart. Now take a deep breath in, and while exhaling, lift your pelvis or hip as higher as possible. To maintain the pose, you can place 3 to 4 pillows directly under your hips and hold this pose for 40 to 50 seconds at a time and repeat 2 to 3 times a day. Next exercise is cat and camel exercise. To begin this exercise, come onto your hand and knees, making sure your hands are under your shoulders, your knees under your hips, and your back is in neutral position. Sink your back down towards the floor and lift your head up at the same time. Now, tuck your chin closer to the neck and lift your upper spine in the form of arch like a camel hump. Repeat these exercises 5 to 7 times, 2 to 3 times a day.
Many mothers often worry that when the baby is detected to be in the breech position, that they will eventually have a cesarean section. It is important to realize that you need to wait, you need to give time, you need to exercise, and mostly the babies will turn.